Today, I intend to teach you how you can install Visual Studio on your computer together with the right IDE you will need since your path is game development. The first thing you do is to download the Visual Studio. Immediately after you are done downloading the Visual Studio, next you download the Visual Studio community. And there you have the option to pick the right IDE for your Visual Studio. The IDE will actually pop up. And when it pop up, here are the few things I expect you to locate. The first thing you locate is to tick the box that has the desktop development with C++. Immediately after you've ticked this box, you scroll down and you can see another box that shows game development with Unity box. You can as well tick this box, but our focus today is on Real Engine. Maybe later in future, you might later have reasons to work with the Unity game engine so that you won't have to repeat the entire process all over again. So it's advisable for you to tick the box. And finally, for the Unreal Engine, you will see a box with the headline Game Development with C++. I advise you to tick this box. When you tick this box, automatically it will synchronize with your Unreal Engine application. Immediately after you are done ticking this, the next thing you do is to click on Install. This might take minutes to install or hours, depending on your ISP speed. And when that is done, and if this is your first time of trying to work with the VS Code or trying to work with C++, I will advise you to subscribe and turn on your notification button so that when I start dropping tutorials on how you can find your way around C++ as a game developer, you can also learn at the pace at which I'll be dropping my materials. And you are free to consult me at any time. I'm definitely going to answer you. Don't forget to subscribe. Good luck. I can't wait to hear from you.